Hi, your family. Another day in the life of a preacher. I took a shower after saying Vugile, and then I'm brushing my teeth and everything, and also fixing my clothes. This was actually the day of our first our revival, the first day of the revival. Of course, I have to spend time with my son. Ngihleke naye, ngidlale naye. Obviously, that's key. That's a very important part of my life. Then after that, ngathi ithi ngivule igate ke, and then ngibe ready ngihambe. Already, obviously, I've spent time with my wife. I've sat with her and everything. Please let me know if you want more of this, Bazalwane, on the comments. Tell me. Lanage, I'm still getting ready. I'm leaving the house and I'm gonna go for the revival. I'm making sure that everything is in order and everything is organized. All right. Then this is me now saying Puma. You see, I'm dressed nicely. I like that. It gives me that idea, that feel of a servant. This type of dressing. Yimlona saying Puma manje. I'm careful not to uchayisa.
Yeah.
And then this is me now closing the gate. And I am getting ready to go. Yeah, and in my mind I'm thinking, I have a lot of things to do. I must get some safety boots, we need to get chairs, we need to get organized guys that will help with the tent, to build the tent. That's just a lot in my mind happening right now. I don't just think preaching, pastoring is more than just preaching. From my experience, from what I've learned, it's more than just preaching. In fact, preaching is a small part of it. I now believe that because I've seen it. You see. Okay, then I'm going, and yes, I'm going now on my way to Tembisa, and this is actually our first revival, and I'm just anticipating a move of God. I'm just so excited about it. It's a lot of work and it's costly as well. You spend a lot of money for this. Sometimes I call if they knew how much we spend. All right, then this is me now. I decided, let me pass by Cashbuild to get some safety boots. Let me get some safety boots so that, because the tent that we are using, it's a frame tent, and it's got insimbi as a sindayo, as a heavy. If that thing falls on your feet or on your toes, God help you. So I had to get some safety boots so that at least I am safe, Wisdom is very important. Sometimes we will blame the devil and say, no, the devil attacked me. No, you did not wear safety boots. That's what happened. It's not a spiritual matter sometimes, Okay, this is me again. I'm like, hi man, these are not the ones that I'm looking for. Then you check I'm like, these ones are too expensive. Like I'm seeing like 500, 600 or something. Like nah, dude. I can't buy these ones. Then I finally find Defender, and Defender was a bit cheap, $329, and still good quality. So I thought, well, let me look for my size. Then at first, I took a wrong size. I actually wear size 8 and 9. Actually 9 mostly. I check, it's not the perfect fit. And I go and I get size 10. You see, this is size 10. Yes. Like, yep, I'm happy now. Let me go. And then I figure where the tent will be. This is the space in Mkanza. Then we go to the church quickly to get the tent structure thing. The incidents of build the structure for the tent. This is Mpendulo, wonderful man of God, great prophet of God, great evangelist of God. Then there's also Ubabu Hatebe. We are working with him as well. Then and I wish servants of God will also, especially young pastors will learn from this. Instead of posting pictures coming out of a car, being ushered, being treated like a king, rather post videos where you are serving. I think serving is more honorable than you coming out of a Lamborghini. Serving, man. Just serve. Just serve. Don't just command people around, but when you don't do anything and you don't show them how it's done. Greatest leaders are the ones who know how to serve. Yeah. Okay. The truck is loaded now. We are ready to go. And yep. Sesophuma ke manje. I don't know why manje ngenza kanje. I'm showing my face. Then when we got to the tent, we realized we need some bolts and nuts to tie the structure. So we looked for them. Sangas totally ended up buying new ones. To make sure that thing is tight. We don't want the structure to fall on people. You see, so we want to make sure that it's tight. And I got some guys from Ekasi who were so kind to help us, and we were so grateful. Bas Caesar, and whoa, there we are. Look how it is now. Yeah. I mean, again, I'm busy there thinking about what we need. I'm thinking about all the other extra things. I was looking for the lane simbilezi that balance the tent, where you tie the tents on the sides. Yes, so I left them building the tent, and I went to get lane simbilezi, and I left with Babu Hatebe. Then Babu Hatebe we got to speak. I got to learn about him, when he got saved. He's a great man of God. He just joined us not long ago. I think was it late last year, somewhere there. But what a humble man of God. And that's his truck over there. The tent is already done. You see now they are tying it on the sides. Yes, and everything now is perfected. And then Lana, I was showing abazalwane ukuthi this is how you get to church. I was directing them, showing them from engine garage you'll go up, and then you will take the first left, and then you will then get to the place. Yo, Bazalwane, it looks like this day in the life is going to be long, but I'm going to be patient with me as I share my life, my story. I'm so grateful, I never thought I was going to pastor. I never thought there would be multiple churches. I never thought Days of Glory would have branches, in a space of 1 year, and have pastors and have leaders and have elders. What God has done here is a miracle, It reminds me of the book of Acts, how God just expanded the church there. One sermon, 3,000 people are saved. I mean, that's literally one sermon and a mega church was born, So I've just witnessed what uNkulunkulu can grow a church. God can do wonders. Later on saying I'm wearing my outfit. I got this from Mr. Nkuna as a gift. He makes them. I want to give him the outfit. You can place an order, go Mr. Nkuna. You can just message me, I'll give you his number. See, it has my name there, and then it has the name of Jesus at the back. I mean the message of Jesus at the back. Then eventually, this is us. God bless you, Bazalwane. We love you.